Now, moving on, after more than 1,600 telecom towers damaged in Punjab by supporters of the farmers' agitation, Reliance has now issued a statement saying that it will file a petition in Punjab and Haryana High Court seeking urgent intervention of the government authorities. In its petition there, Reliance has said that miscreants are being instigated by vested interests and malicious motivated vilification campaign is being carried out against Reliance. The company has also made it quite clear that they have not purchased any agricultural land in the country and have no plan to enter into the corporate farming sector as well. This issue has now created quite some political storm in Punjab as the state governor on Saturday summoned the state's DGP and Chief Secretary. Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh meanwhile has accused the governor of spreading BJP's false propaganda within the state. Now, I'm going to cut across to Kumar Kunal joining us for more details on that. Kumar, here farmers are agitated, they're upset, they're worried that corporates will dominate the sector. Undoubtedly, this is the fear that the government is trying to allay time and again. This is the 8th round of talks that will be held at 2 p.m. today. Are farmers hopeful this time around, or are they already made up their mind that the government is delaying this process and we will go with it as long as our demands are met with? Are they hopeful? Because the government seems quite confident.
See, government is confident, but the farmers are quite susceptible and they are not very confident of coming any result today. Although they are telling that today is a new round of talk is going to happen, New Year is there, and they are hopeful that something positive can come from the government side. But what they are telling and what they are adamant about, that until and unless the 3 farm bills will be repealed and talks about those bills and MSP, MSP will come on the table, they are not going to budge on their demand. So right now, what the farmers demand is that government should come up with a clear strategy on the 3 farm bills. They are not happy with the kind of proposal which has come so far. So they are hopefully thinking that government will come with some new kind of proposal, and then only the talks could head in a positive direction. So that is what farmers are telling. But now the thing is, one more demand what the farmer union leader Rakesh Tikait has done with when he was talking to India Today. He told me that a live telecast of the proceeding should happen from the meeting. Everything should be crystal clear, what government is talking, what farmers are, what is the stand of farmers. So everything should be crystal clear, and the nation should know that what is happening inside the meeting hall. So this is a new demand, and they are telling that they are willing to stay here till the budget session. They are also willing to see the stand of the opposition. Opposition so far is promising that they are with the farmers, but in the budget session, if they will oppose the 3 farm bills, then only they can believe the opposition. So these things are going on. They are here for a long haul, and they are demanding that a live telecast of the meeting should happen from today onwards.
All right, that's maybe a fair ask, but what has been the government's response? Because we know 8 rounds of talk, 7 rounds have fallen flat. They've held meetings for hours. It wasn't a quick meeting. At least 4 to 5 to 6 hours on some of those occasions that farmers have been seated there with the government officials indulging in conversation. So this has been quite in-depth conversation and talks that have taken place so far, which still hasn't resulted in a conclusion. What has the government responded to their demands of a live telecast of these meetings?
See, so far government is non-committal about the live telecast of the meetings, but still what we are learning from the government side, that they are coming up with a certain strategy. They are also planning to tell them that we are okay with their demands on the electricity bill, even on the penalty for the crop burning issue. Now an amicable solution should happen on the two main demands. One is of the repealing of 3 bills. That's another of providing
Right.
the legal status to MSP. So what government is telling that we have moved 2 steps ahead, and now this is the turn of farmers to move a few steps. Then we can find out an amicable solution of the
Right. Kumar Kunal, thank you very
logjam
much
which
for
is
joining us
right
with those
now.
details. We're going to continue tracking it.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.